Hey everyone, this is SEA Crypto Daily Buzz. Today, Bitcoin is near $64,086, Ethereum around $1,895, and Solana near 75. All three are slightly red, and the market feels flat. Traders are watching flows, exchange risk, and Southeast Asia regulation for the next signal. Here are the three stories moving the market. Story 1. A troubled global exchange is under a Wednesday deadline. BitMart users and employees have publicly demanded that the exchange disclose its remaining reserves, liabilities, wallets, and a customer repayment plan by August 19th. That is one day away. They are asking for a full asset and liability breakdown, an independent third-party audit, and a clear repayment order. On-chain trackers have already flagged very thin withdrawal activity since the shutdown was announced. BitMart still plans to end all trading on August 26th and close the platform on January 31st, 2027. If you or anyone in your network holds funds there, treat the next few days as the real decision window. Close positions and move assets to a wallet or exchange you control. Story 2. Southeast Asia is quietly building shared crypto and blockchain rails. Malaysia-listed Zetrix AI has signed a preliminary agreement with the Philippine government to help build the country's public blockchain infrastructure. The memorandum was signed between Zetrix Philippines, its Malaysian joint venture with the National Research Agency, and the Philippine DICT. The plan connects the national digital identity systems of Malaysia and the Philippines. It also covers issuance, verification, and authentication of Philippine government credentials, plus trade facilitation use cases across borders. The Philippines adopts Zetrix as national blockchain infrastructure. For Southeast Asian crypto, this matters in two ways. It plants government-grade blockchain rails that tokenization projects can eventually interoperate with. And it pushes the region toward shared identity standards that lower friction for licensed exchanges and stablecoin issuers. Story 3. United States spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds have flipped from strong inflows to a fresh outflow streak. On August 14th, the group of U.S. spot Bitcoin funds recorded a net outflow of about $57.6 million, extending an outflow streak to 3 sessions and taking the 5-day net figure to roughly negative $389 million. BlackRock's IBIT accounted for almost all of that Friday outflow, while smaller funds went flat. Cumulative net inflows since launch are still positive, at around $51.7 billion, with total net assets near $76.6 billion. Hashdex's small DeFi Bitcoin fund also wrapped up its final trading day yesterday, the first U.S. spot Bitcoin ETF closure ever. Institutional demand is real but concentrated. Almost every dollar of net flow moves through one issuer, and when that turns negative, the whole cohort tips into outflow. That is why price has stayed trapped near 64,000. Here is the fast recap of today's stories. 1. BitMart faces an August 19th deadline to disclose reserves, liabilities, and a repayment plan. 2. Zetrix and the Philippine government signed a preliminary deal to build national blockchain infrastructure. 3. U.S. spot Bitcoin ETFs are on a 3-day outflow streak. This video is for information and education only and is not financial advice. All investment decisions and risks are your own responsibility. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. And if you want more chart analysis and trading insights, join our free Telegram channel. The link is in the description below. See you in the next one.